What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the Steam download speeds drop to zero and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into step one by one. So the first one is all about, we just need to go over here. So imagine that you're already downloading any games. For the time being, I'm not downloading any games, which I have already did. For what you need to do is the first one, make sure or think that a game is getting downloaded. When the game is getting downloaded, just go over here, right click, or you can right click over here and go to the task manager. And the first one, expand this up and make sure if the CPU, memory and the disk, all three together, if it is bottlenecking, which means you're having the trouble with the game downloading, which means you have to increase the virtual memory, and also you should be downloading the game to your SSD, or you should add an SSD. That's what it means. If it is completely bottlenecking while the downloading is in the process. Afterwards, still if you're having the trouble, we just need to go over here, search for the control panel over here. And right now from here, just go to the power options. Now from here, you have to go to choose what the power buttons do. And right now you can just click on the change setting that are currently unavailable. And you have to uncheck this particular option. Just uncheck this, and afterwards you have to change it. Then once after change, you have to go back here and search for the device manager, and you have to click on the device manager. And right now expand this, and if you find the disk drivers here, which means I have already having two. So you might be downloading to this one or this one, it depends. So for example, if you're downloading to this one, right click and go to the properties, and from here go to the policies. And if you find this particular option that enable write caching on the device, you have to uncheck this. Then you have to check with the game and most probably that's going to help you guys out. So these are the steps, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.